Hey everybody, this is Brian from Carving is Fun, and this is my review on the Flexcut Whittling Jack. This is a really nice folding whittling knife. It is a purpose-driven whittling knife, so it's not like your standard pocket knives like you'd have for like your Swiss Army knife. So I mean, it's different style blade. It's very much reminiscent of their regular whittling knife blades on there. It has the same steel as their standard knives, which is the high carbon spring steel, with the same hardness of 59 to 61. These do come razor sharp right out of the box and have excellent edge retention. The only thing about them is they are a bit expensive, so it's more like a specialty kind of knife. I found them between $45 and $58 depending on who you get them from and if they're on sale or not. It comes with two different knives on here. This is your 1.5 inch, more like a detail knife, and then it comes with a 2-inch roughing knife. Now, like I said, these are razor sharp and ready to use right out of the box. Let's get the detail knife out for this little project here. Yeah, that'll do. Razor sharp right out of the box. They'll get the job done from the start. You don't have to worry about stropping them or sharpening them or anything like that. Just open it up and start whittling. Now, when you're comparing this version of the knife to the other ones that they offer, because I think they have some that are just maybe just one knife, have 3 knives, or have a whole bunch of different tools in there along with the knives. For my general intent and purpose, it's a straight whittling knife. I have 2 knives on here of 2 different lengths that will get the job done for what I need. I don't need an extra super small detail knife, because if I'm out and about whittling, I'm just gonna be doing general rough stuff. I'm not gonna be sitting there doing a bunch of small detail work. And if I'm at my workbench whittling like I am now, I'll usually have, like I said, I'll have my detail knife, or I'll have something else on hand that is more apt to applying small fine details. But if I'm camping or something, just a rough knife. I'm not gonna be sitting there for hours doing a bunch of small detail work. And one of the other things I like about it is how thin this knife is, because it's nice and portable. You can just slide it right into your pocket. You don't have to worry about it like sticking out a bunch like my Swiss Army knife. It's a little bit thinner than that one. It's about the same. No, it's actually that. It's a little bit thinner than my primary folding knife. So it's a really good portable knife to carry around with you. Just slide it in your pocket. You won't even know it's there. You can also find like sheaths for it as well. I think Flexcut has theirs sheath available to them. I think it's like 15 bucks. Made of good quality leather. You can go ahead and pick one of those up. And some of the other things I like about this knife is the handle is pretty dang comfortable. Like it is reminiscent of their standard knife. It has the same like larger handle on the front, like their standard whittling knives, which makes it pretty dang good. I like it a lot. And one of the other things too that I found quite nice about it is that it's not a knife that will close on your hand very easily like some of the other ones that open and close very easily. This one, I don't feel like it's going to close on me. It may not have a lock on it, but I don't feel like it's going to be closing on my fingers anytime soon. It's pretty fixed in there pretty well. Then again, there's some downsides to it as well, but I'll cover that here in a sec. Before we go any further, I want to let you know I also covered a bunch of other knives, not just Flexcut, but like nearly a dozen other different companies and their knives that they offer. I have one massive whittling knife review video. Go ahead and check that out. I'll have the link in the description below. That way you can find it pretty quickly. Now, like I was saying, the knife is a little bit, the knife is not likely to shed on your fingers, but it is a bit stiff. Like opening and closing it, the tension that they have on it is pretty high. At the beginning, when you first get it, it's going to be a bit stiffer. Like for me now, it's not as bad as what it was at the beginning. But when I first had it, I broke my nail on it a couple times. So just keep that in mind if you're going to be using it. It's a good knife, but man, was it hard to open at the beginning. I don't think if I handed it to my wife, she would be able to open it up at all. And like I was saying before, these knives are not cheap. I've seen them anywhere, like I said before, between $45 and $58. This is just for the two knife version. Once you start adding more knives to it or more different tools on it, you can easily get over $100 for that version of the tool. This is a nice compromise for what you're getting, but still you're going to be around that $50 price point. Now, if anyone at Flexcut is watching this, give me an option to put a belt clip on here. It's one of the things I really like about with my regular knife. I can just slip this right in my pocket. It's right there, right on the edge. I can just grab it. I don't have to dig around inside of my pocket or have it get lost with anything else in there. It's just, I wish they added a belt clip. Yeah, almost done. Now, if y'all liked the video, feel free to hit like and subscribe. Like I said before, I have a whole bunch of other knives I did a review on, and also a full-on like master review where I checked out a bunch of different knives. A lot of them that are aimed at beginners or just like under $30 to begin with. To see which one was the best one. I'll have this one in there. This one obviously wasn't under $30 for it by itself, but if you consider that I got it for under $50 and it has two knives, it'd be like $25 per knife. This one is more for like portable usage. You're going to be out and about more, so it's a good option for that. So if you're camping or hiking, great option. Yeah, that's my review on the Flexcut Whittlin Jack. Great knife. I highly recommend you get one if you are looking for a portable knife to whittle with. There we go. Yeah, leave it right there. Alright. Thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you have yourselves a great day.